Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, this is a new video based on shortcut keys. As you can see, here are different types of shortcut keys which we use in a computer. First is italic, it is used to italic our text. Next is bold, it is used to bold our text. It is save, save is to save our document. Next is undo, it is used to undo our text. Next is redo, it is used to redo our text. Next is cut, it is used to cut any text easily. Next is select all, it is used to select all the document at once or all the text at once. Full screen, it is used to full screen on a computer, etc. etc. Paste is used to paste your text. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please press the like button, subscribe my channel, share with your friends and don't forget to comment.
और ये आपको नहीं छोड़ेगा रियल ब्रांड डियो का सिद्धि परफ्यूम power that hums with perfection curves that make the winds whistle all metal charm and intelligence it's sheer dominance meets elegance they say true power needs no introduction and true beauty never escapes notice Skoda Kodiaq power should be beautiful Skoda, simply clever. चलो चलो ब्रेक टाइम बॉयज ये क्या है नूडल्स को ठंड लग गई तो जम जाएंगे ना इसीलिए ठंडी अरे चिंटू तू ये छोड़ यिप्पी नूडल्स का विंटर्स में भी नॉन स्टिकी और टेस्टी भी सीजन कोई भी हो यिप्पी नूडल्स हमेशा रहते हैं